I'm standing here at the new entrance to the Fabrication Center. I'm really excited to be a part of the project because it's at the core of what OCAD U is about. The main objectives of the project are to expand and improve the fabrication studios. We're going to be improving the layout and circulation of the studios, as well improving the efficiency of the building systems, such as HVAC and lighting and controls. There will be more flexible space for students to work and gather. There'll be new equipment and a new approach to the zone as a whole. There'll also be an integration of OCAD U core values, such as sustainability, inclusivity, and integration of Indigenous culture. We're wrapping up the Ada Slaight drawing and painting studios on level 4. Things are looking great. There is new lighting, new AV, and controls throughout the spaces. There's also new furniture and equipment in the studios as well as in the new build shop to improve the circulation and workflow in the various spaces. The team has integrated a student hub so that students can gather as well as practice pinning up and use it for critique and display. There's new pin-up surface throughout the studios as well as a fresh paint job and a thorough clean. So we're about halfway through the renovations for the new Fabrication Center. The team has been pushing really hard, and so far they've managed to disconnect all of the existing infrastructure, complete the demolition, and be well underway with the construction of the new walls in the space. They've also started to lay in the new plumbing and start to integrate some of the elements like hollow metal screens and doors for the partitions. There's still a big push yet to come, and that is to finish the integration of the systems. So HVAC, lighting, controls, etc. are all underway. And then after that, the team will start on building the millwork and integrating the new equipment, which is an integral part of the fabrication studios. The days are full of activity and hustle and bustle, and we're really excited to see the project through.